This tea can burn fat even if you sleep. How many methods did you try to lose fat and get in shape? Well, I know in most cases you did fail to lose weight. Like you, most people give up on trying things to lose weight. What about if I say you can burn fat even when sleeping? Sounds crazy, right? Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Yes, this is possible with a healthy drink called Oolong Tea. The name might sound a bit odd, but the result you get from the drink is stunning. Undoubtedly, Oolong Tea is far better than regular green tea. Once you start drinking Oolong Tea, you won't like anything else for weight loss. So in this video, I will show you how to make Oolong Tea, benefits, and how it helps to burn fat. Before getting into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell and watch the video until the end. What are the benefits of Oolong Tea? A recent study by the University of Tsukuba in Japan has found that 2 cups of Oolong Tea a day can effectively burn belly fat. Besides helping in losing weight, it can also reduce blood pressure. Especially for the elder age group, its substances can help to maintain healthy blood pressure. Oolong Tea contains polyphenols that are known as a cancer-fighting agent. A clinical trial also found that regular consumption of Oolong Tea decreases the LDL or bad cholesterol level. You can expect a better functioning heart with this healthy drink. And the most astonishing thing is, it helps to sleep better. On the other hand, sleep is linked to a healthy digestive system. How this drink help to lose weight? First of all, Oolong Tea is a rich source of caffeine. We all know that caffeine helps to increase metabolism. When you are getting older, your metabolism rate decreases so fast. But caffeine helps to keep it balanced. Your body will start burning fat after a meal instead of storing it in the belly and waist area. Drinking the tea on a regular basis balances the gut microbiome. Healthier bacteria will grow and help to digest foods efficiently. We are not saying you can take junk foods just because your metabolic rate improves with Oolong Tea. But the capacity of digesting different foods will improve for sure. Well, you have got enough data about how this drink helps to reduce weight and burn more fat. But how can you make this drink at home? By the way, it is almost the same as green tea. So, let's make Oolong Tea. So, what do you need? 1 teaspoon of Oolong Tea leaves and 1 cup of water. At first, heat the water on a stove until it reaches boiling temperature. Once it starts boiling, add the Oolong Tea leaves to the water. Cover the pan with a lid and wait at least 5 minutes. Now, turn off the burner and pour the tea on the cup. Your tea is ready. How to drink this tea? You can take this drink twice a day. For better results, drink the first cup just after waking up from bed. And drink the second cup 1 hour before bed. Taking the tea before bed helps to increase metabolic rate during sleep. If you wish, you may go for a maximum of 4 cups per day. Drink this tea every day for at least 6 weeks, and you will get the result. So, you got the recipe for the purest drink that helps to burn fat and lose weight. I hope you will take this tea every day and lose your unwanted weight. Share the updates in the comment box below. So, that's all for now. By the way, for more queries, I've also added some studies at the end of this video description. Let us know in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.